Jesus!
Wait, sorry.
That was a targeted attack, dude.
Why did a timestamp come up and it was different to the one in the bottom
know,
left?
Man. I
didn't even see that.
Why the hell are we in Saudi Arabia, man?
No, that's sick though.
This is in fucking
Good
Portland,
luck.
Washington, bro.
Come on, man. You should have known they were gonna do some stupid shit. They're
Dude, what?
idiot.
This music. Wait, is no one looking? Like, what the fuck? Did no one look where they were going?
You look when you're driving a
People trying to
3-ton
go
car?
on.
Why would you do that?
You know, you're right. I should just turn.
Nah, you
that was
fucked.
bad.
It's over. GG.
Bro fell over in the bike lane. Come
Bro
on now,
fell
man.
off. Okay.
Ah, Tim Hortons.
Aw, little Timbits. And now the baby's crying, trying to make it all about itself. Okay, dude.
Baby crying for
insane.
its engine.
What, the car? I agree.
Yeah, the car.
Creepy ass white van again, bro.
This is a really creepy angle too. Oh, is your house on fire?
Fire truck.
Oh no!
Shit! That has got to be one of the craziest clips we've seen. That was, dude. I thought the fire truck wasn't even gonna flinch at that. Jesus! What the fuck was this guy listening to?
I don't know, some audiobook.
Creepy ass like voice, bro.
What the
It's
fuck?
funny that, like,
dude,
what the
they're
hell?
texting and driving with kids in the car? That's fucking crazy, dude. That's
You don't do that?
insane. I don't.
Dude, no offense, but if I ever have kids, like, that's the first thing I'm doing.
Okay, then when you get in the accident and they're dead, let me know.
Well, no, I'm not gonna get into an accident because I'm a good driver.
Okay, bud.
I'm a really good driver. Yes, I am.
I think that you fucked
Dude,
up,
what
and
do we-
that's why they stopped on the highway. I think it's your fault.
I think we should all be allowed to, like, own a Moe, you know, and just put it on our front lawn.
Why are they getting out so slow? What if
you
it's like
back it up like you're
Shaquille
scared of
O'Neal
them, bro?
like gets out the car, man?
Oh, he's backing up so he can just move.
Yeah, what the hell? Like, why wouldn't they do that?
Oh, now this is sick. This makes me respect and admire these guys.
Mm-hmm. I want to be friends with them, man. They're so awesome.
Yeah, but I'm not good enough.
You're not gonna
Yeah,
end up
not cool, bro.
spitting out. Oh my god! What happened?
I have no idea. I'm scared.
There's like 3 cars.
Big
piled up.
lasagna.
Dude, I'm craving
Hit the
that
mailbox.
right
Fuck that mailbox. Yeah, fuck the mailbox.
now. No!
Yeah, fuck mail and
That shit was like 30
USPS.
bucks
Fuck
at
pixels.
least.
Fuck resolution. Fuck 4K. I hate 4K. Yeah, dude, I hate 4K.
Why did you start tilting towards him, man?
That was sick.
I hate 4K.
You when I fill my engine with magnets?
Dude, this is your country, James.
I love my country. My
What
the
are we
fuck
doing?
is
He
this
fixed
guy?
his mirror. It was like folded.
Oh. Dude, it doesn't take that long to get back in.
Yeah,
It
I know,
actually
right?
doesn't.
You're just backing up the line too.
Just fucking taking long for attention.
Why? Pull over, dude.
No, he can't, dude. He has places to be.
Why?
Yeah, he knows where he's going, bro. He doesn't need vision.
He doesn't need to see.
Yeah.
Wow.
I have
That
never
is the
seen
most
a Canadian version of
performative
this.
thing I've ever seen. That is crazy.
I have never seen a Canadian version of this. This is insane. This is usually an American.
Yeah, I was about to say, this is like a Canadian version of an American video. Like,
Canadians actually make anything that the Americans do, like, just look way cooler by doing shit like this, man.
ah!
Damn.
Like, that has got to be the
Drop
most
this
pathetic
big-ass
thing
leaf.
ever, bro.
Does anyone else
Run it
think
over.
this is
Aw.
super weird being an adult? Like,
Dude, this is the type of shit that they had anything for views doing on, like, the
Oh
Filthy
my
Frank
god, they
channel.
did it though! They did it!
Am I wrong? Like,
No, you're right. They'd have them like scaling buildings and shit, man.
okay, but like, this is normal.
God. That left front tire.
He's
is
driving,
not-
he's controlling it.
No, I
Like,
think it's fine,
I don't see
dude.
the fucking problem.
He's got it, bro. You're overreacting.
He's just going to the shop.
It's
He's
throwing
gonna go to Los
sparks.
Santos Customs.
Oh, it's throwing sparks. And there's just no sparks. Like, just stop
I know,
lying, man.
Attention seekers, bro. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
That's a-
yeah,
that's
no,
a good
this
idea,
is
man.
great.
Yeah, get out of the car too now. Good on you, man. Oh, there's 2 of them. Okay, bicycle man, what are you fucking doing here?
What was that?
Nah, man. Blow them. Did anyone just get flashbanged by a green screen for a
Yeah,
second?
what was
Yeah,
that green?
okay, I have no
was that,
idea.
I thought I was tweaking.
Was
I was
this
like,
like
what
a
just
fake
happened? What is that?
video? Like,
The Matrix, dude.
I love butts. I love butts.
I love kissing
Dude,
butts and
what's wrong
licking
with that
butts, bro.
tractor?
Why'd I say that, bro?
Also, like, actually, you're the idiot in the car. The tractor's doing fine. You're the one who spun
Oh,
out.
man,
You're
that's
making
so
fun of
funny,
somebody
man.
else, and then you do that shit. Literally tortoise in the hair, bro. You just got to take the L, bro. Oh no.
Why would you drive anywhere near that thing?
Yep. Yeah, dude, take a video. Take a video of your own stupidity, you fucking idiot.
He's recovering, dude. It's like the Polar Express when they get back on the track. or whatever.
Wait, that is
Fucking-
true, actually.
Dude,
Yeah.
that scene went so hard.
Yeah, he's like left, right. It's like politics today, you know.
Uh-oh. That red 40 dementia.
Holy shit!
Nah, I'd be pissed, bro.
Oh my
Nothing to
giant
do with
sponge.
that. Yeah, quick, deploy the SpongeBob plush. Holy
Dude,
shit.
this goes hard. Whatever he's listening to right now.
Yeah, it's making me hard.
So hard.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Okay,
Why
dude,
you
you gotta,
listen to the
you gotta get a better
Yeah, man.
bass, dude. Get a better subwoofer, please.
Love Wendy's.
Dude, now I want Wendy's. Fuck.
Oh my.
You don't want Wendy's, bro. Shut up.
I kind of do, but they also have like
Making
$8
shit up.
burgers now. Cringe.
Yeah, and it's not worth it. Just go to Chili's, bro.
No, I go to In-N-Out.
Or that, yeah, way better. I want In-N-Out so badly. But I gotta wait like 9 more months.
Dude, why is it raining like Sprite? Like, why is that shit like bopping everywhere?
Nah, man, I'd be filling my pockets with it if it was raining Sprite.
I've been taking that shit home.
Tesla?
It's always a Tesla, man.
Why do you have a separate dash cam? What the fuck?
Wait, this is TikTok or like Instagram or something.
It is
You're
Instagram,
right.
yeah. Well, you didn't even see what happened. Jesus! Everyone's getting hit, bro.
Everyone's getting killed, bro. This is crazy.
Oh, because that one guy didn't want to miss his fucking exit, dude.
I mean, to be fair,
Shut
Yeah,
up.
like let's be actually real with ourselves. Like,
Dude, what
you
is that?
deserve to go through that
van?
exit, man.
creepy white van, like the boss of
The
it, you know?
creepy white van from Cyberpunk.
Yeah, this cyberpunk ass music.
Dude,
All
why
right,
the hell
who's
are
on
we
the
in
wrong
Watch
side of the
Dogs?
road? Oh, they are. Oh, that guy got stuck? I mean, to be fair, like, should he have really gotten stuck? I think the bridge
It's the
shrunk.
motorcyclist's fault, you can tell.
Dude, the music they're listening to is crazy for this.
It's always like the funniest music
I
choices.
know.
What a dipshit.
So true, dude.
Yeah, this should not see how.
Oh my god, dude. You guys don't even have clouds here, bro. Why are you even
This is like
bothering?
the dustiest fucking neighborhood I've ever seen. man.
Yeah, you go outside and you're just instantly blinded by pocket sand.
Oh no, my little thingy fell off. Okay, man, you obviously just want attention.
Literally, though. That's what I've been saying,
Just
man.
honking violently, like, okay, man, here's your attention. You got 2
Dude!
minutes. What the fuck?
Dude, can we get some
Can't
resolution,
see anything,
please?
man.
Can we get some extra pixels, please?
Wow.
on my mind when we were writing that scene. And it, oh no.
Oh, what
Aw,
happens
man.
here?
Something good,
Oh
I bet.
my god.
Okay, man. You won the fight. Good job, dickhead.
That's fucking funny.
Holy.
Nah, that's
And they
lame,
didn't
dude.
hit.
They did. It didn't look like they hit.
No, they didn't.
What the fuck
Dude,
am I looking at?
Kill it.
that thing.
Kill it.
Yeah, kill that fucking
This is our
thing.
enemy.
Whatever it is.
Kill it.
Fill it with
Kill
bullets
it.
until
Kill
it's
all
not
self-driving
talking
vehicles.
anymore.
Kill them all. If you see any of them, like, dude, it doesn't feel
Give
anything.
me a
Kill it.
sledgehammer, I'll do it myself. Take it out, bro.
It stopped. I heard them laughing at it.
All right, that's
Nah,
the video.
man.
Check this out. Bye.